Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify influencer campaign payments on Aspire, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify influencer campaign payments on Aspire, first, log into your Aspire account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Campaigns tab in the main menu. Click on it to view your active campaigns. Select the specific campaign you wish to verify payments for. In the campaign details, locate the payments section. Click on this section to see the payment history related to the campaign. Review the list of influencers associated with the campaign. Check each influencer's payment status, which will be indicated next to their name. If a payment status reads pending, it means the payment has not yet been processed. For completed payments, ensure the status reads completed. If you need further details, click on the influencer's name to access their profile. This profile will provide additional information about payment dates and amounts. If there's any discrepancy, take note of the details for future reference. To resolve issues, navigate to the support section of Aspire. Submit a help request regarding any payment issues you've observed. Provide all necessary details to expedite the resolution process. Return to the payments section regularly to stay updated on payment statuses. This will help ensure all influencers are paid in a timely manner. It's crucial for maintaining good relationships with your influencers. Proper payment management reflects professionalism and builds trust in your campaigns. Following these steps will help you effectively verify influencer campaign payments on Aspire. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.